I was going to say something that I think would have been relatively funny right now, but let's circle back to that because I got distracted. I just got distracted and I have to address this first. I got distracted by the smell of a fire pit. And I hate to admit it, I'm slightly jealous. I'm here in suburbia, in the suburbs of central New York, Syracuse, New York. And I can smell a fire pit. Somebody's got a fire going, I know it. Either that or it's Canadian fires, or are there fires going on somewhere? Because, you know, here in good old America, in places that normally have them, look at that, my hair's, I can't have that. That flop of hair was, oh my gosh. Well, there you go. I'm not digging the hair. So you should never look at yourself, egotistical bastard. I'm not, but I can be a little bit at times. What was I saying? I don't know, I'm smelling a fire pit, but now I'm thinking there was a report in the weather, air quality not good. Well, what does that mean? Is there a fire somewhere? Is there a fire in Alaska, Michigan, I don't know, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, somewhere where there aren't normally fires? Is there a fire? Because that's America these days. We have fires, forest fires in places where you don't normally have them. I am smelling it. I don't know, it smells like a fire pit. So I'm jealous whoever has this fire pit going. A little bit jealous. Sorry, people, I love you. When the weather's good, summertime, I could sit out by a fire pit for hours every night. It's awesome. It's just a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing. So if you've never done it, do it, people. Fire pit. What was my funny thing? I remembered. So I'm getting so old that I got a little bit of allergies going, right? I sneeze sometimes, and I sneezed, and I sneezed and then I farted. It was like, achoo, man. I mean, it was amazing. It was just comedy gold. And I always thought to myself, before I die, I want to be in a short film. This is so ridiculous and goofy. It's me. It's so stupid. For comedy's sake, I love slapstick. I want to sneeze. What did I want? I want to sneeze, trip and fall, and then fart. No, I wanted to sneeze, fart, and then trip and fall. And just time it perfectly. The sneeze, the fart, trip and fall. And maybe like, ow. I want that comedy gold. That's my goal in life, people. Some people want to be millionaires. Some people want to be really successful. Some people want to cure cancer. Some people want to stop all, create world peace and make the world a better place. And I want that comedy gold. I want the sneeze, the trip and the fall and the fart, or the sneeze, fart. I'd have to see it. So maybe sneeze, fart, then trip and fall. Anyways, that's the comedy part. But I do want to say this. I'm running out of time. I'm making a video. It's longer, but I don't have a lot of time because I don't know how to clear off my phone. I'm just old and stupid. I want to give a shout out to go to YouTube. Go to this YouTube channel, YouTube. Okay, it's called Comedy Lizzy. Lizzy, Lizzy. She's great. Lizzy is awesome. I think she's somewhere near New York City. I'm sorry, Lizzy, I don't pay attention. But she went live. What I love about Lizzy is she's just real. She's very funny, but she doesn't try to be. And she's just real, and she just talks about a lot of different things. And she's real, she's honest, it's insightful. You can learn a little bit. She has different ideas about, she just loves to talk about everything. I love her. And she was saying it's because she's Italian, and I'm part Italian too, and that's why I talk. I mean, I'm half Italian, so I only move the one hand. That's terrible. I love terrible comedy. Comedy is terrible. Comedy is usually terrible, and I love terrible comedy. Oh, see, I'm running out of time. Okay, so go to Comedy Lizzy. She's awesome. She went live. I was commenting, and I just feel good because she was saying, oh, Jay, she was talking about me a lot and acknowledging my comments that are very nice and loving and sweet because I'm a nice, sweet, loving guy. And now I'm out of time. I'm going to talk right till it runs out or not. But anyways, Jay Marie's Comedy, please like and subscribe, and I love you all, and we'll do it again.